Hey there! So, imagine you're working on your Excel spreadsheets and you encounter a common problem. You have multiple sheets, like Result 1, Result 2, up to Result 50, and each one has formulas at the top that reference the same cells. It can be quite a hassle to update all these formulas, right? Well, let's see how we can tackle this problem together. So, the solution to our problem involves using a clever technique with Excel functions. We start by defining a special function called LAMBDA, named clone, that can retrieve a formula from a cell and execute it in another location. The key here is the formula definition, lambda x formulati xx. This code snippet allows us to extract and evaluate formulas dynamically, which will be super helpful for our situation. Now, let's dive deeper into how this solution works. By using the formula equals clone formula A1 in a cell of our Result 1 sheet, we can effectively clone and execute the formula from the formula sheet. This clever trick ensures that any changes made to the original formula will automatically reflect in the cloned version, saving us time and effort. Pretty neat, right? In summary, we've learned a cool method to streamline our Excel workflow when dealing with repetitive formulas across multiple sheets. By leveraging the power of Lambda functions and the clone technique, we can easily update and manage our formulas without the headache of manual adjustments. I hope you found this Excel tip helpful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Keep crunching those numbers with ease.